Greetings to all of you dear students. Today we are going to solve the first problem, a simple question in case of internal reconstruction. Following agreement was made in a reconstruction of a company. The shareholders had agreed to receive the following in exchange for 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each held by them. We have fully paid equity shares to the extent of 2/5 of the above holding, 5% preference share to be exchanged for 1/5 of the above new equity share, 6% debenture for rupees 60,000. Further, the company issued 5% debentures of rupees 50,000 and has been issued to the public, and the company has received the amount of cash. Goodwill of rupees 3 lakh was reduced to 1,50,000. Machinery was reduced from 1 lakh to 75,000. Leasehold property reduced from 1,50,000 to 1,25,000. Give necessary journal entries. The following agreement was made in a reconstruction of a company. The shareholders had agreed to receive the following in exchange for 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each held by them. Currently the equity share have 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Totally you get 5 lakh. The total existing equity share is rupees 5 lakh. ಇರೋದು 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಬಂಡವಾಳ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ? ಹೌ ಡು ದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್? ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2/5 of the present holding means they are exchanging old equity share with new equity share. The value of old equity share is 5 lakh. The value of new equity share is 2 lakh. How do you get the new equity share 2 lakh? The existing share, as told earlier, 50,000 into 10 you get 5 lakh. So 5 lakh into 2 by 5 you get 2 lakh. So they take back 5 lakh and give 2 lakh. Next, 5% preference share to the extent of, to exchange or extend of 1/5 of the above new equity share. How much is the above new equity share? 2 lakh. So 2 lakh into 1 by 5 you get 40,000. So they are giving you 40,000 new preference share. ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ 5 ಲಕ್ಷದ ಬದಲು ಅವರು ಹೊಸ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸ 40,000 ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೂರನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ 60,000 ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 6% ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ 60,000. ಸೊ one old equity share is exchanged to new equity share 2 lakh, new preference share 40,000, new debenture 60,000. Total you get 3 lakh. Then capital reduction will be 2 lakh. How do you get 2 lakh capital reduction? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 lakh capital reduction? New equity 2 lakh, new preference 40,000, new debenture 60,000. Add all the three, 2 lakh plus 40,000 plus 60,000 you get 3 lakh. So 3 lakh ಬದಲು 5 lakh ಹಳೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಸ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್, ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ 5 lakh minus 3 lakh 2 lakh you get capital reduction. Further, the company issued 5% debentures of rupees 50,000 and has been issued to the public, and the company has received the amount of cash. ಸೊ ಹೊಸ ಈ ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೊಸ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ the company have issued 50,000 new debentures to the public for cash. The goodwill of rupees 3 lakh was reduced to 1,50,000. So goodwill written off will be 1,50,000. That's 3 lakh minus 1,50,000. Machinery was reduced from 1 lakh to 75,000. Our machinery depreciation ಬಂದು 25,000. Leasehold property reduced from 1,50,000 to 1,25,000. So this is called depreciation on leasehold property 25,000. Give journal entries. Okay, before, as I told you, they are taking away old equity share 5 lakh, 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹಳೆ ಬಂಡವಾಳನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಸ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸ 40,000 ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸ 60,000 ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So they are exchanging old to new. They are exchanging old to new. So therefore students, you get a capital reduction of 2 lakh. Old equity share account debit 5 lakh to new equity share 5 lakh into 2 by 5. That's, they say, 2 by 5 of the present holding. Present is 5 lakh into 2 by 5, 2 lakh. To new 5% preference share 2 lakh into 1 by 5. They say 1/5 of above new share. Above new share is 2 lakh. So 2 lakh into 1 by 5 you get 40,000. Then to 6% debenture 60,000. Then remaining balancing figure you get 2 lakh capital reduction. Next, you have bank account debit to debentures issued 50,000. Capital reduction account debit 2 lakh used to write off goodwill 1,50,000. Depreciation on machinery for 25,000. Depreciation on leasehold property 25,000. Thank you.